Imagine carrying a phone that transforms into a tablet in seconds, phone that gives you PC-level performance, an AI-powered camera, and a stunning display. Today, we're going to explore everything about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, from its beautiful design and powerful performance to its incredible AI features and camera. So let's get started. Samsung has improved the design. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is now thinner, lighter, and easier to carry than previous models. A massive 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. This gorgeous screen offers a sharp resolution of 1856 x 2160 pixels, a super smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, and HDR10 Plus support. When the phone is folded, you still get a large 6.3-inch AMOLED cover display, protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Whether you're gaming, watching YouTube, reading documents, or multitasking, this display delivers an amazing experience. Now let's talk about speed. Inside the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, paired with a powerful 3.36 GHz octa-core CPU. Samsung also includes 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage, giving you plenty of space for photos, videos, apps, and games. Just keep in mind that there is no micro SD card slot, so the built-in storage is all you get. Now comes the feature that makes this phone truly special. Galaxy AI. Samsung has packed the Z Fold 6 with smart AI tools that can actually save you time every single day. Just circle to search. Simply draw a circle around anything on your screen using your finger or the S Pen, and Galaxy AI instantly searches for it. Note Assist can automatically transcribe voice recordings, organize your notes, and even create short summaries. With Photo Assist, you can move, erase, resize objects, straighten images, or fill missing backgrounds using AI. The new Sketch-to-Image feature lets you draw a simple sketch, and Galaxy AI transforms it into beautiful artwork in styles like 3D. And if you travel often, you'll love the built-in interpreter and live translate, which translate conversations and phone calls in real time, making communication across languages much easier. Now let's move to the cameras. On the back, you get a powerful triple camera setup. A 50-megapixel main camera captures sharp and detailed photos. A 10-megapixel telephoto lens helps you zoom in without losing quality, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera lets you fit more into every shot. On the front, there are 10-megapixel and 4-megapixel cameras designed for selfies and video calls. Zoom lovers will also enjoy instant slow-mo, which lets you turn ordinary videos into cinematic slow-motion clips with just a tap. Samsung includes a 5000 mAh battery, which is designed to last an entire day with normal use. And when it's time to recharge, the 25W fast charging gets you back up and running quickly. If you're looking for one of the most advanced smartphones available today, the answer is yes. You get a stunning foldable display. It's a device that changes the way you work, create, and enjoy work.